Okay, class. Increase or decrease analysis. Using our T account. We have assets. We have liabilities. And owner's equity. We have expense. We have revenue. We have withdrawals. Okay, class. Tingnan natin. When you debiting the account or debiting cash, ilalagay mo siya dito. Increase yan, class. Increase natin. Why? Dinebit mo yung cash mo. Nadagdagan yung cash mo. Kaya siya, increase. Kapag nag-crediting ka naman ng cash mo, it is decrease. Kapag nag-crediting ka ng liabilities mo, dito yan sa credit side. Okay, increase yan sa part ng asset. Kapag crediting the liabilities, increase yan. Kapag debiting the accounts payable, that is decrease. Yan. Okay? So, kapag ka nag-debit ka ng insurance expense mo, increase yan sa part ng expense mo. Kapag nag-crediting ka sa expense mo, ibig sabihin, decrease yan. Kapag nag-debiting ka sa gross revenue mo, or any revenue, that is decrease. Kapag nag-crediting ka sa revenue mo, it is increase. Increase. Kapag nag-debiting ka sa withdrawal mo, that is increase. Kapag nag-crediting ka sa withdrawal mo, that is decrease. So, kapag ka sa asset mo, nag-debiting ka, increase yan. Kapag nag-crediting ka sa assets mo, that is decrease. Kapag both of the liabilities and owner's equity mo, nag-crediting ka, that is increase. Kapag nag-debiting ka, that is decrease. Sa expense mo naman, kapag nag-debiting ka, that is increase. Nag-crediting ka, that is decrease. Sa revenues mo, kapag nag-crediting ka, that is increase. Sa debiting naman, ng revenues mo, that is decrease. Sa withdrawal mo, kapag nag-crediting ka, ibig sabihin, decrease. Kapag nag-debiting ka, that is increase. So, ganun lang, class, ang pag-analyze mo ng account. Okay, so, let's say, debiting the accounts receivable. O, alam naman natin, accounts receivable, that is assets. Kapag nag-debiting ka, it is increase. How about crediting the salaries payable? Kapag ka nag-crediting ka ng salaries payable mo, titingnan natin. Crediting. So, therefore, it is liab, increase yan. Eh, what if kung nag-debiting ka ng revenues mo? Ano ang mangyayari sa account mo? Therefore, part siya ng owner's equity but under revenues section, it is, nag-debiting ka, that is decrease. So, ganun lang, class, pag mag-a-analyze ka ng increase or decrease analysis ng debiting or crediting. Basta lahat ng assets, debit yan. Lahat ng liabilities and owner's equity, credit yan. Increase yan. So, lahat naman ng mga expenses mo, that is debiting, increase yan. Dito sa revenues, that is typical, nasa credit side yan. Withdrawals, nasa debit side. Ganun lang kayo mag-analyze.